guys, welcome to my channel once again. So in today's video we'll be doing a rapid fire question. Okay, so as you all know, my lovely girl came to visit, so I thought it's gonna be nice if we do a rapid fire questions. Okay, so these guys gonna go like, she asked me some questions rapidly and I answer them without thinking twice. So I'm about to expose myself, or she's about to expose me right now to
disclaimer. I am not doing anything, just asking the question. Whatever she answers is on her, please. Okay.
So I'm about to get exposed. Okay, so if this is the kind of video you like or you love this video, please do want to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe if you've not, like, comment and share. So without wasting much of our time, let's get into the questions. Fire
okay on. Let's go. What's your favorite color?
Golden.
Coffee or tea?
Tea.
Dream vacation spot?
Canada.
Morning person or night owl?
Morning.
Sweet or savory?
Both.
Beach or mountains?
Beach.
Okay, if you could have one superpower, what would it be?
Magical power.
Texting or calling?
Both.
Books or movies?
Movies.
Netflix or YouTube?
YouTube.
Hot water or hot weather or cold weather?
Both, depending.
Sneakers or sandals?
Sneakers.
Yeah.
Hey.
Action movies or comedy?
Both, depending.
One thing on your bucket list?
Traveling.
Favorite app?
YouTube.
Favorite sports to watch?
Car racing.
Okay, for me, I think I want to come in here because I think I have a thing for wrestling. Now, as a kid, sorry, I know it's but let me check.
Yeah, it's okay.
Growing up, I know that every Saturdays after doing the morning chores and the morning breakfast, the brunch per se, like pap and like typical Nigerian home. Then you have your bath, you now come and sit down when the WWE is about to start.
Yeah.
For my house, it's like a family time. I know all the names, I know all the... But let's get back to it. Texting or voice notes?
Both.
Last thing you bought?
Last thing I bought... Yeah.
Is my Gary?
No, it's not the Gary. The last thing I bought was Viva soap.
Is it not the same with my Gary? They are the same category.
Yeah, but it's true. The Gary Viva soap and then I go toilet wash.
You see? So favorite quotes?
One day at a time, one step at a time.
Okay, favorite thing to do on a weekend?
Resting, sleeping.
Spicy or mild food?
Mild.
Favorite drink?
Water.
Okay, this gets interesting. Best advice you have received?
Keep being authentic.
Okay.
And don't change.
Best advice you would give somebody?
Keep being yourself and don't change.
Okay. Least favorite house chores?
List one. Laundry.
I hate to iron. Oh, I hate to wash. Anything apart from plates and pots, anything that has to do with clothes is not me. Please let me pay you. Come and do it.
I'm telling you.
I will pay you gladly.
No.
Back to it, people. Morning workout or evening workout?
Morning workout.
Okay. Introverted or extroverted?
Depending, but I think I'm more of an introvert than an extrovert.
Okay. Are you more productive in the morning or in the night?
Morning.
Okay. Favorite vegetable?
Favorite vegetable, carrots.
Favorite fruit?
Watermelon.
Okay, so I'm going to ask this because she asked me this morning and I've seen that it is not here. What advice will you give your 18-year-old self?
My 18-year-old self, learn to say no more than you say yes.
Okay.
And also, being obedient all the time is not actually good. Sometimes it is be disobedient for a good reason.
Yeah, I think I saw a clip of a video that said that a lot of times a lady's stubbornness, or let me not say stubbornness before you people drag me, let me say being strong-willed as a lady will help you in life, especially if you're in a corporate world, if you're in a male-dominated field, engineers, pilots, and all that. So a bit of being strong-willed or stubbornness, if you will, would help you as a lady in any field. It will force you to know how to say no. It will force you to say, this is what I want and I'm sticking to it.
Yeah.
Right? So there goes it.
No more questions?
Yeah, we done.
Oh, okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's videos. Today's video, sorry. And I hope I answered very well. If you want me to do more of these rapid fire questions, please do also let me know in the comment section. Drop your rapid fire questions and I might feature them in my next video. And also, if you would like to see my baby girl more often on this channel, as you can see, yes, as you can see, she's a vibe, a big vibe. Like her vibe is like this, okay, 1000% vibe. So let me know and I will drag her to sit here and I'll feature her in my channel or on my channel.
Just call me a fine girl
again,
and I'll be here.
Yeah, and before I forget, she's your sneaker plug.
Yes.
So if you need nice fine sneakers, just holla her. I'm going to keep put her Facebook link in the description box of the video of this video. Please do well to reach out to her for your sneakers, your bags, your clothing,
for you
and
yourself, your husband, your children,
Yeah.
For your husband, for your children, for your... Oh, Valentine is around the corner. Let me shift so you see me.
Coming.
So I could use your budget to create a gift for your loved one.
Yeah.
Your kids, your husband, your boyfriend, your side chick. I'm not judgmental. Okay? Your side chick, your sugar daddy, whoever you want to plan.
Yes.
I'm going to give you the authentic stuff. Just pay me. My mouths are sealed. I'm not here to judge you. Judgment is for God alone. So make me your plug, right? Let me get you the things that when you give it as a gift, oh my God, they will tell you you're the best thing that have ever happened to me in this life. So she's gonna add my link
in the description box.
Yeah. So please reach out to me.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
So here we're gonna call it a wrap and see you guys in my next video. And please do well to subscribe, like, comment, share, and click the notification button to get notified each time I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Stay lit, stay safe, and remain authentic. Peace.